Hello folks, welcome back to Cyberblogs. Today's topic is cold and hot storage. Are you storing your cryptos the wrong way? One mistake could cost you everything. In this video, we will break down the difference between hot wallet and a cold wallet and help you to choose the safest wallet for your cryptos. So first thing first, what is a crypto wallet? A crypto wallet is a tool or you can say software to store your cryptocurrency. So like you have your own wallet in which you save money, store money. Same way to store the cryptos, you need some place, right? So these wallet are the things which stores the cryptocurrencies. So if you want to know a lot more about the crypto wallets and how they work, I'll put a link in the description. You can watch a video of mine which I have previously made. You will get to know everything about that you want to know about the crypto wallet and how they are working. So now let us see what is a hot wallet. A hot wallet is a crypto wallet that is always connected to internet. This includes mobile application and browser extension and wallets provided by crypto exchanges. These wallets are like super convenient and perfect for day trading and all and making payment faster, but it comes with a risk. Like as it is connected to internet, it is highly vulnerable to hacking. So as this a hot wallet is connected to internet, hackers will have some ways to get to your wallet and you might lose your currency, whatever the values the money you have in the hot wallets. So while hot wallets are great, like it is known for its performance, like faster, it is very fast and when compared to cold wallets, but it is vulnerable to hacking. It comes with a risk. So it is not a safest way to store your crypto wallets. If you are storing a large amount of cryptocurrencies, then hot wallet is not at all recommended. It is only recommended when you are doing a trading and all. So temporary purpose, you can store it, not an issue. But if you are storing a large amount of cryptocurrency that is for longer time, then hot wallets are not the one. Some of the hot wallet examples are like Coinbase wallets, MetaMask, Trust wallets. On the other hand, cold wallet are that which are completely offline. These are not at all connected to internet. This includes hardware wallets like Ledger or Terrazon or even the paper wallets that used to store the private keys on a piece of paper. Like these are some examples like paper wallet. If you are storing your private key on a paper and keep it is safe, that would be a paper wallet, and a hardware wallet and deep cold wallet. These are some examples of the cold wallet. Remember, if you are like trying to store a huge amount of cryptocurrency, then cold wallets are most preferred because these are not like connected to internet. These are completely offline, so it will be less chance of getting hacked. So if you see both of them at once and their features, so hot wallet is always connected to internet and this is offline. When it comes to security, this is more likely to get hacked, and this is secure. As it is not connected to internet, this will be most reliable, secure way to store your cryptocurrencies, which is cold wallet. And pros of this thing, the hot wallet, and when it can be used is if you are using daily usage and like small amounts and all, you can use it like daily usage. And if you have a small amount of cryptocurrency, you can store. And if you are not long term, if you are storing for your cryptocurrency for the long term, then this is recommended. Cold wallets are recommended as these are offline and not vulnerable to hacking. We have already seen some of the examples of this one, like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and Coinbase wallets are examples of hot wallet. And here we have cold wallets like paper wallets. You can store your uh, means private key on a paper. And hardware wallets are like devices. You will be getting a USB kind of device where you can store your uh, cryptos and all. So if you have any questions like which one is the best for you to pick, then if you're regularly trading or doing some crypto transactions quick and you want some quick transactions, then you can use the hot wallets. But if you're holding a large amount of bitcoins or any other cryptocurrencies, then it is recommended to use cold wallets. But most of the experts recommend using both. Keep a small amount in the hot wallet for daily uses and store the rest of them in the cold wallet for the like protection and all. And few small tips for the things like to keep your cryptocurrency safe is always keep a backup of your recovery phase that you will be getting while creating your wallet, and do not share your private key with anyone. Never share your private key. And whenever you are using a hardware wallets, you are basically this is a USB kind of thing. So use a brand which is known, like most popular and known brands only. Do not use any like just go for a like this one is getting for $2 and this one is for $20. So just go for the 21 which is more popular and most trustworthy. Don't go for cheap because this is like going to hold your entire cryptocurrencies, right? So just invest it some amount, doesn't matter, like but go for a better one which is most trusted for by every others in the market. That's it for this video. Please do not forget like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Bye bye.